Hello, random viewer. I am outside. I haven't posted a video in a while. Last one was kind of my friend, so yeah, So yeah, it's raining pretty hard. That was weird. It just stopped raining for like 1 second. God dang it, God. Okay, and car. So, I don't know what else to say. So, it's raining. Just hailed a second ago. I'll have the queen. That was weird. And, I am sitting out here and I really have no idea why. You done? God, I'm trying to make a video here. If you please, stop thundering for a second. Thank you. So, rain starts with an R. So does red. Red. Yeah, red. Sure, red. I don't even know what I'm doing still, so yeah, I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna go walk out in the rain. YOLO, bitch. I just forgot, rain is pretty cold. Yeah, so god dang, add to playlist, favorite, and subscribe to join Blake Superior today. That was God saying goodbye.